Hello and welcome to this video on using Authenticate 2.0. In this video, we'll help you understand your new Authenticate account, including understanding the administrator settings and the options and features available, describing a workflow to help you and your users to get the most out of this new version, and exploring various exciting new features available, such as the new similarity report experience and AI writing detection. Let's begin by logging into our new account. Here we can see the administrator console, with a home page and various tabs along the left. The Users tab allows us to add users to our account, filter and search for users, and we can see at a glance which users are active. In Groups, we can create user groups to manage our users. For example, we could create a group for each department. In the Settings tab, we can see various search repositories. Note that a private repository is included as part of your license. This allows institutions to check submissions against their own, highly relevant, organizational or industry written work to capture more misconduct and collusion cases. Below this, we can see settings for submission indexing, source text visibility, and paper match details. If AI writing is included in your license, you will be able to see the setting here, which can be disabled. Under Web and API, you can now label and exclude preprints, eliminating the need for a manual investigation. In addition, you can set customized exclusions, depending on the needs of your institution. You have the flexibility to change all these settings to suit your needs. However, we recommend keeping settings as their default, unless there is a compelling reason to alter them. Under the Statistics tab, you will find a detailed record of activity in your account, broken down by submission and usage, as well as visualizations on similarity reports and AI summaries generated. You can alter dates and data sources to refine the information presented. Now, let's go back to the home page and launch the main Authenticate dashboard. This now shows us a view similar to what your users will see when they log into their individual accounts. Let's think about a useful workflow for users when using Authenticate. First, in the My Files tab, we can see all our submissions. To find individual submissions, we can filter by date added or use the search field. We also have the option to organize submissions in folders, or share folders or submissions with other users or user groups. The tab below shows any files or folders that have been shared with you. Any deleted files or folders go into trash, from which items can be recovered or permanently deleted. In Settings, users can choose which content to compare their submissions against, based on what the account administrator has set for the institution as a whole. Adjusting their settings here to what they need, including setting their exclusion filters, may save users time when reviewing similarity reports. Finally, let's show how users upload files. Go back to the My Files tab and click the Upload button. Authenticate allows us to run either a repository comparison or a doc-to-doc comparison, which allows us to compare a submission against up to 5 other files in depth. For now, let's choose the repository comparison option. Authenticate will automatically check the document against a wide database of scholarly papers and billions of current and archived web pages. Once the similarity report is ready, a similarity score will display next to the submission. Let's look at the new similarity report and AI writing report. Click on the similarity score in the My Files section to show this. This is the new enhanced similarity report, which has been redesigned with a streamlined interface to make it easier to interpret. The first number we see is the overall similarity percentage. The similarity score shows the percentage of the writing in the document that is similar to something found in our databases. Below this, Match Groups provides a useful summary of any sources that have not been cited or quoted, missing quotation marks, and missing citations that may need the author's attention, as well as showing what percentage of the paper's similarity has been correctly cited and quoted. Each match is highlighted in its corresponding match group color, making it easier to evaluate the report quickly. Note that Match Groups is currently only available for English language submissions. To see sources in more detail, look through the Sources panel. The new Filters panel allows you to determine what kinds of matches are shown in the report. meaning that you can exclude anything that may be irrelevant. You can also choose which databases the submission is checked against. At the top of the report, we can see 3 more tabs: Custom Sections, Flags, and if it is included in your license, AI Writing. Note that the AI Writing report is currently only available for submissions in English. Customized Sections shows any sections that have been excluded from the similarity score, in accordance with the exclusions applied in the Administrator console. We can include this section in the report if we want by clicking the I symbol. We can later re-exclude this by following the settings link shown. Flags represent inconsistencies that set the paper apart from a normal submission. Here you might see details of hidden text. This is when characters have been inserted in white, and replaced characters. This is when characters in a paper have been replaced with similar characters in another alphabet. Both of these methods can be used to present plagiarized content as original. The AI Writing indicator is fully integrated into the similarity report to highlight AI-generated content. It provides an estimate of the overall percentage of the document that we have determined to be likely generated by AI. This information can help protect authors' interests and institutional reputations. For more help understanding the AI Writing report, open it and follow the links to further resources. We hope this video has been useful to you in understanding your new Authenticate account and the various features available. For more information on Authenticate 2.0, visit the Authenticate help site.